Good morning, Orange Base. Are you ready for today's maths? I hope so. Before we start, can you please get yourself a piece of paper, a pen and a pencil or pencil, and make sure you are sitting comfortably, and then we will start our maths starter for today. Welcome back, everyone. Right, well, today's maths starter consists of 4 questions. 4 questions which will recap the learning that we've been doing over the last few weeks. So, it's a little bit different today. So I'm going to read out the question or what we need to work out. Then you need to pause the video and have a go at answering it. Are you ready? 1 less than is what? Write it down. 2. Count backwards from 16 to 12. Could you do that now, please? And number 3, how do you spell the number 14? 14. And the last one is, I don't think you can see that quite, can you? What is the missing number? You've got your whole, you've got one part, and you've got one part. You already know what that part is, but you've got to work the other one out. Could you do that now? Welcome back. Let's quickly go through the answers. So, the first one was asking you to work out what is 1 less than. What does that numicon represent? The number 8. The number 8. So what is 1 less than 8? The answer is 7. Count backwards from 16 to 12. So, you're on 16, and when you count backwards, you are going back. So are your numbers getting bigger or are they getting smaller? They're getting smaller. So, you could have done your number line, couldn't you? You could have had 16 there, and you could have said 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Well done if you did that. And the next one was, how do you spell the number 14? 14. Well, there's a number 4. Teen. It's a teen number, isn't it? Because one of the things that you've got to be able to do in year 1 is you've got to be able to read and write all your numbers from 0 to 20. Not only as numbers, as numerals, but also in words. So perhaps you later on, when you've got a spare moment, you can practice writing all your numbers from 1 to 20 as numerals and then write them as words. But well done if you got that right. And the last question was, what is the missing number? Now remember, what's this model called? It's called a part whole. You have 2 parts. Sometimes you can have more than 2 parts, children. But at the moment, we've just been looking at 2 parts and the whole. Well, if your whole is 7 and 1 part is 2, we can count on to 7, can't we? We can say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many do we need? Well, let's do that with our fingers. Put 2 in your head. Let's count to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've counted on, and we've done lots of work on counting on. So how many did you count on? 5. So we know that if you had 5 and then you had 2 and you put 5 and 2 together, Your whole is going to be 7. 7. Well done. Now, I'd like you to get another piece of paper and a pen or a pencil and get yourself ready for the main part of today's lesson. So see you in a bit. Bye.